Hello everyone, today I will show you how to prevent Facebook session hijacking. Session hijacking happens when attackers steal your login session without knowing your password, and this usually happens through unsafe Wi-Fi, malware, or fake websites. Step 1, enable two-factor authentication. Go to Settings and Privacy, greater than Security and Login, greater than two-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app, not SMS only. This blocks access even if a session is stolen. Step 2, secure your browser and device. Always update your browser and operating system. Outdated software makes session theft easier. Install updates regularly. Step 3, avoid public Wi-Fi without protection. Public Wi-Fi is risky. If you must use it, use a trusted VPN and always log out after use. Step 4, log out of unknown sessions. Go to Security and log in greater than where you're logged in. Remove any unfamiliar device or location immediately. This kills stolen sessions. Step 5, use HTTPS and official apps only. Never log in from fake links or cloned sites. Always check the URL and use the official Facebook app or website. Step 6, remove risky browser extensions. Some extensions steal cookies and sessions. Remove unknown or unnecessary extensions from your browser. Step 7, secure your email first. Your email controls password resets. Enable 2FA on email and change its password regularly. Step 8, run Facebook security checkup. Go to security checkup and complete all steps. Facebook will help detect suspicious access. Finally, if you notice strange activity, report it immediately at facebook.com/hacked. So yeah, preventing Facebook session hijacking means using 2FA, updating devices, avoiding unsafe Wi-Fi, logging out unknown sessions, using official apps, removing risky extensions, securing email, and running security checkup. Follow these steps and keep your Facebook account safe in 2026.